How to permanently delete messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can permanently delete your messages on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To permanently delete your messages on iPhone, if you open up a message and then you would like to delete a certain message, for this what you have to do is just make sure to long press on a certain message here and then just tap the delete option. But the problem is that this message is not permanently deleted. If you go to the filters tab from the top left, you have one more option here known as recently deleted. When you go to recently deleted, you will be able to see the messages that you might have still left to delete. So if you want to permanently delete them, now what you can do is select those from recently deleted, tap the delete option if you'd like to do that, or you can directly tap the recover option from the bottom right if you would like to recover them as well. So assuming that you would like to permanently delete it, just tap the delete option and now you will not be able to recover them and they have been permanently deleted. This way you can permanently delete messages on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.